Imagine standing at one end of a bridge, gazing out over the seemingly endless expanse of water that stretches out before you. Now imagine that the bridge you're standing on goes on, for mile after mile, until it fades into the horizon. This is the experience that one has when crossing the world's longest bridge. For centuries, bridges have been an essential part of human civilization, allowing us to traverse bodies of water and connect communities separated by natural barriers. But some bridges are more than just practical constructions, they are marvels of human engineering and design, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. In this video, we'll take you on a journey across the world's longest bridge, the Single Pylon Bridge, the world's largest bridge built by Serbia. This magnificent engineering feat is an impressive feat of design and construction that spans across the Danube River. The Single Pylon Bridge is a testament to human ingenuity and a marvel of modern architecture. This bridge, which is more than 1.5 kilometers long, is supported by a single pylon that rises to a height of over 200 meters. This towering structure is a breathtaking sight to behold, and it's hard to imagine the precision and skill that went into its construction. We'll explore the history and design of the Single Pylon Bridge, taking a close look at the challenges that engineers and construction workers faced during its construction. We'll also explore the impact that this incredible structure has had on the surrounding community and the wider world. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on a journey through the world's largest bridge built by Serbia, the Single Pylon Bridge. The Ada Bridge, also known as the Sava River Bridge, is a single pylon cable-stayed bridge that is currently being built over the Sava River in Belgrade, Serbia. The primary goal of constructing this bridge is to reduce traffic congestion in the city. The Ada Bridge forms a part of the inner-city semi-ring road, and it is connected to the city highway. By diverting traffic from the highway to the semi-ring road and vice versa, the bridge aims to alleviate the severe traffic problems that are expected to arise by the end of 2021. The Ada Bridge was inaugurated in January 2012, along with the ICSRR viaducts, north and south ramps. The project also includes the construction of adjoining roads, which is still ongoing. The bridge is a single pylon structure with an asymmetric design. Its total length is 929 m, and it has 6 traffic lanes, 2 pedestrian or cycling pathways, and a single rail line. The bridge is supported by 80 stay cables attached to the needle-like pylon, which is located at a height of 200 m. The pylon is cone-shaped and made of concrete, with a radius that decreases from 16 m at the base to 4 m at a height of 175 m. The history of a city is marked by its landmarks, and each era leaves its own unique imprint. Bridges in particular are often seen as symbols of a city, and Belgrade sought to create a bridge that would not only be functional but also visually striking. In order to achieve this, they held an international competition that emphasized both engineering and architectural aesthetics, with the goal of creating a structure that would be a landmark in its own right. The resulting bridge, which spans the Sava River, incorporates numerous design features that make it stand out. The most striking element is the tall pylon, which not only serves a functional purpose but also serves as a landmark and a work of art. The bridge is divided into 3 carriageways, with the pylon serving as a unifying element that ties the structure together. The pylon is designed as a slim, pointed cone that anchors the backstays and rises to a peak that completes the ideal geometrical line. The bridge's spatial composition is clear and transparent, with solid, grassy, overgrown terrain below and smaller spans above the river. The bridge is designed to be pedestrian-friendly, with 2 dedicated paths for walkers and cyclists. The pylon creates an impression of space on the bridge and defines the height of its smaller elements. It is a significant landmark in the city's nightlife, and can be experienced in multiple ways, as an element of the environment, as part of the new urban architecture, or as a part of the bridge architecture. Ultimately, the bridge serves as a physical and symbolic connection between the new and old Belgrade, and is a testament to the city's commitment to creating functional and beautiful structures. The original plan was to complete the bridge by 2008, but construction did not begin until the following year. In December 2008, the first pillars testing piers were installed on the right bank of the Sava. The project was expected to cost €118 million and take 40 months to complete. However, various problems arose during construction, causing delays and increased costs. Despite these challenges, the bridge was finally connected in August 2011, and opened to the public on January 1, 2012. Initially, the design included a cone-shaped structure to be placed on top of the pylon, but this idea was abandoned in September 2018. In May 2012, a helicopter attempted to carry the cone into place, but the operation was halted due to strong winds. After a change in government in 2013, it was claimed that new paperwork was necessary to complete the installation, but no progress has been made since then. The bridge has been in use since January 2012, but the official exploitation permit was not issued until December 2019. In the summer of 2017, a new boulevard was constructed to connect the bridge to Tosin-Buner Street. However, as of January 2018, there were still 3 major construction undertakings that needed to be completed before the bridge could become fully functional as intended. These included laying tram tracks, constructing road connections to the Rakovica neighborhood, and drilling the Topsider tunnel. In 2016, city officials announced that trams would begin crossing the bridge in 2017, but construction of the tram tracks was delayed, and the trams did not become operational until 2019. The construction of the road connection with Rakovica included the relocation of the riverbed, the construction of a new bridge, and the reconstruction and widening of the Boulevard Patrajara Pavla. The timeline for this project was uncertain as of January 2018. Construction on the relocation of the river began in March 2018, and the road bridge became operational in March 2019. The widening of the boulevard along the Topsiderka River was set to finish in the spring of 2021, but the deadline has been repeatedly pushed back, with the connection now expected to be fully established in the summer of 2024. The project was announced for later in 2018, but there has been no update on its progress since December 2020. As of August 2021, the elevators for pedestrians and cyclists on the bridge were still not operational. The Discovery Channel documentary television series Build It Bigger showcased the Ada Bridge in its 5th episode of Season 9. The bridge has become an iconic symbol of Belgrade and is frequently featured in music videos, TV shows, movies, commercials, and photo shoots. In February 2022, a Serbian singer named Teodora released a single titled Most na Adi, which translates to Bridge on Ada. And there you have it, the Single Pylon Bridge, the world's largest bridge built by Serbia, a testament to the country's engineering prowess and determination to push the boundaries of what's possible. This magnificent structure is a shining example of human ingenuity and serves as a reminder of what can be achieved when we work towards a common goal. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to bringing you more groundbreaking innovations in the future.